Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I ordered some fabric a couple months ago from a store that I found online. It's one of those moms at home. She does crafts just like I do. She does markets and stuff, but she also sells fabric where you have to pre-order. Her Instagram is called My Fabric Dresser, and she had some really lovely prints in online, so I just had to have it. So it finally got here. It's funny because I was wondering, when is it gonna come? When is it gonna come? And I kept checking my email to see, when it's gonna be delivered. And I forgot about it. And my husband said, "Oh, you have a package." And I said, "What package? I didn't order anything." Yeah, I completely forgot about it. And then it shows up, and yeah, I didn't remember that I ordered anything. Anyway, so I just thought I would come on here and show you what I got. So let's open it together. And I have snips in my hand. Oh, it cut the tape. I don't want to cut the fabric. It's not dressmaking fabric. It's fabric for crafts or bags and stuff. But I thought it was so pretty that I just had to have it. So okay, there's her name, her Instagram, My Fabric Dresser. So according to this, I ordered it on February 28th. And I think I ordered some waterproof canvas. But this print, oh my goodness. I fell in love the minute I saw it. Look at that. Let's put the other aside. I am so in love with this. So, I'm assuming I've never ordered waterproof canvas before. So I think this is the waterproof canvas. It's white on the other side. Just beautiful. I don't know how much of this I got because it doesn't say on my order, but I think I got like 2 yards of it. Looks like it. Okay, let's put that aside. Now, I got the same print in cotton. Just because I love it so much. And some bags work well with cotton and some bags work well with canvas. So that's that. And then I got this. This was the only amount she had in this print. So I just grabbed this as well. And this is a waterproof canvas. There's a bag that I want to make. Oh my goodness. I think it's called a Harrelson belt bag. I can't remember. But I can't wait to try this on some bags. I gotta look for the right pattern and stuff. And I also think like iPad, what do you call them? iPad sleeves. I had a market. Oh yeah, I did my Mother's Day market on Thursday through work, and all my iPad sleeves are gone. Now, mind you, I was marketing them as a book sleeve and not as an iPad sleeve. And every person that walked up to my booth asked if it was for an iPad. And I happened to have my iPad with me, and I put the iPad in there and it works. So I think I'm gonna start marketing it as an iPad sleeve and not a book sleeve. And I'm gonna make it about an inch longer and put like a tab over it. Let me grab what it looks like and I'll show you. Okay, this is the book sleeve that I made. There's a pocket in front here and fully lined. There's fusible fleece in there, and I've made a few of them and taken them to market. To be honest, this market, I wasn't going to put it out because every market I've done, people are like, oh, what's this? What's this? And nobody ever purchases them. And this time I decided to put it out, and all but this one was gone. Another thing I didn't put out was my passport covers. I don't have any more right now, but they sold like hotcakes the last time I put them out, and I only had 2 remaining, and I didn't have any more. Actually, look, I found one. This is the passport cover that I made, and I have them in different colors. And when I put them out, it was gone. It was all gone except for 2. And so I didn't put it out this time, even though I had them with me. And a lady walks up to my booth and she says, the last time I purchased a passport cover from you, and I went home and my husband said, so you only bought 1? So we had a good chuckle. And I said, well, I only have 2 more remaining. And I remembered her because she was looking for nice bright color. She bought the orange color one, and I pulled them out. I pulled out what I had, and she said, okay, I will take both of them. So yeah, so I have to make more for my next market. And as for the book sleeve, I'm going to make it a little bit longer because here is the iPad, and I put the iPad in here. And yes, it fits, but you know, there's just that little edge hanging out there. And I feel that I should make it at least maybe an inch longer or half of an inch longer, and then have a nice tab with a snap coming over the front. So I think this fabric that I just got and some coordinating fabric, maybe pull one of the colors from here, would make a nice iPad sleeve. I don't know, we'll see. I have lots, I have enough to try different projects with it. So I just wanted to come on here and give you a quick video of the fabrics that I ordered, and I will put the link in the description where I got this fabric. Remember, it's pre-order, so I don't know exactly how that works, like if she'll have in stock. Maybe she'll still have remains of her fabric, but yeah, I just wanted to come and show you that. So in the future, hopefully very soon, I will be doing a project with one of these. So anyway, thank you for coming on. Thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. I know my face is not on camera right now. Honestly, I got up, and again, it's Saturday, and it's just myself and my daughter in the house, and it's quiet except for the laundry running. So I figured it was perfect time to open my package and share my purchases with you. So thank you for watching, and I really have to think about what I'm going to make, and I will be doing a video on it. So until next time, thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.